you're looking at starting an emergency fund, you're trying to figure out how on earth are you going to fund an emergency fund. I've got a couple of different ways that you can do it. And one is cutting out the stupid shit that you're spending money on. For example, you might have dinner out multiple times a month, and that is something that you could cut back on. It's not going to affect you. It's not going to you're not going to die from it if you don't go out to eat. So that's one way. Another way is to cut out fast food. Don't buy any fast food because, well, one, fast food's crap. It's just bad for you. And two, it's very expensive crap. So don't do that. Speaking of convenience, don't go to a convenience store. So you need to get gas, don't run into the convenience store and get something, because really nothing good ever came out of a convenience store. And then of course we have the thing that everybody likes to harp on is the coffee in the morning. Does it count? Yes, it counts. So I want you to picture in your mind. So if you have debt, and let's say that you owe $5,000 at 20%, that means each day you're being charged $2.74 if you don't have that debt paid off in full. $2.74. If you're getting a coffee and like some type of breakfast thing, I guarantee it's more than $5 for a start. We all know it's more than $5, but let's just say it's $5. So that means that now you're digging yourself further in the hole because you're putting that on a credit card. And in addition to that, it's also costing you $2.74 a day. That's $83 a month just in interest charges, just on a $5,000 debt. Now, most of us are carrying much more than that on debt and at higher percent interest rates. So you can see it's a really easy way to save money is just cut that out. You can make your coffee at home. It's not going to be the end of the world if you do. Now, I'm not saying don't forget a coffee out, because of course you can need a coffee out every now and then. You have that day where you're just like, I'm going to get a coffee, and you should get coffee, but you shouldn't get it every single day of the week because that's a really bad idea. Now, the next thing is, of course, the subscriptions. Recently, I just caught myself, thank God, I had an $83 subscription that I got a 10-day free trial for, and I was super happy that I actually caught it before it was up, because I kind of forgot to cancel it right when I got it. So I saved myself $83 there, because if I had messed up, that would have been $83 out of my pocket on something that I really only wanted to see like a couple things on. So check your subscriptions out. If you have professional subscriptions, so let's say that you have some type of software that you use, some type of software system, if you go in and you go through the process of canceling, every time I've done this, I get a better offer. I get months off and I get a reduced amount. So go into your services that you have and go about the process of canceling them. And I mean, like, get all the way to the last screen where you're like, no, I'm out. They're gonna keep your data. Don't worry about losing your data. They're gonna keep it. No, I'm out. I'm not renewing this. Go away. Piss off. Do all the things. Get to that screen and click, yes, you want to cancel. And I'm almost certain you're gonna get a new screen that pops up that gives you an even better offer and a reduced rate. It might just be for a couple months, might be for a year, but hey, still that's money in your pocket. So those are all easy ways that you can save money just on little things, on everyday things that we do, and we don't think about how much it's costing us overall. So now that you're doing this, you're not spending the money in all these weird little ways, the thing that you can do is just set up an auto pay on your paycheck. So you get your paycheck and it can go all to different bank accounts. You set it up to go to a specific savings account, a high yield savings account, because you want your money to make money for you. You set it up to go there. It goes there without you even seeing it, and you will get used to there being less money there. I don't know. I don't understand. Just so you get used to being there more money, you're going to get used to there being less money. And when you do that, then you're actually able to fund that account and it not be like nails on a chalkboard, ripping your heart out, painful. It'll just be easy and automated, and you won't even have to think about it. And then when you have something break, you'll be able to fix it because you'll have the money there and won't be going further into debt to get whatever it is that you need fixed, which if you have a house or you have kids, it's a never-ending list.